Okay, so the last time we were here, we were making our Notan designs. So after you have finished your regular Notan design, your practice one, I want you to show it to me, and then you can get a red paper for our final one. So we're using red papers and these larger white papers for our final piece. And then really the biggest advantage of using a larger paper is you can cut larger pieces. So you can decide if you want to plan something out or if you want to just start cutting. I do want you to cut something out of all 4 sides. So notice I cut pretty close to the center. I don't want a lot of this red paper left. So this, remember, we always flip out from the edge. So this will go here, but there's when I cut a large space, I can now cut large pieces out of this. So I'm going to go ahead and cut here. And then this flips in. And I always just go ahead and flip it rather than starting cutting so that I know exactly what goes where. So I can kind of keep track of my pieces. So this goes this direction, and then I'm going to cut one more piece out. Maybe I'll cut 2. So this then flips this way, and then I think I'm going to do one more little one. It starts looking super complicated the more times you flip in and out. Okay, so as I said before, last time, I would suggest you go ahead and glue these pieces before you start on the next one, just because then you're less likely to lose them. I'm not going to show you how to glue them again. Put glue on the back, put them down. Make sure they're lined up on the edge. If they're not on the edge of a square, it's not correct. And then you can start cutting out other pieces. I'm gonna cut some super wiggly ones this time. So this will flip out this way, and then cut some more wiggles from that. And just keep going. Okay, so then I'm going to get these 2 from the top and the bottom. Okay, so I think that might do it. Well, no, I'm going to go ahead and show you this last edge. Because really you want very little of this inside left. You want to see the square just based on how things go in and out. So because I cut these last 2 a little bit smaller, you know, it's just a little bit more difficult to go both directions very much. Okay, so make sure you get approval of your first pieces and then you can start on the second. I'm gonna show you a couple of my samples that I did for other classes. So this is one I just cut triangles triangles inside of triangles, but it starts looking pretty complicated when you do that. This one I did on this side, I actually really planned ahead and just wanted to see if I could make a Christmas tree. There's stuff I would change about it, but basic idea. So those are a couple of examples. See what you can do.